Listeners, welcome back to the laboratory. I've always been a bit of a mad scientist type. When I was a kid, your age. Anyway, I'm still the same. We've made an important discovery today. A giant leap for mankind. We're going to try something on our Spanish classical guitar. I bought it at Yamundi Markets for $25. Fair income. I think so. The year was 2010. It might have been $75. Designed in Australia. Manufactured in the land of country and western music, Indonesia, British East Indies. She's a beauty. Age is like a fine wine. We've come up with some chord arrangements just to prove our theory that we've come across, and the last video pronounced as the upper registry harmonics ringing like bells. I could do it if I had my voice warmed up. However, we've moved on. Spanish is the theme. I was going a bit overboard, having a bit of a jam. We've had our dinner now. We'll be off to bed in a minute. It's 9 o'clock. And that'll be me for the day. We'll do it all again tomorrow. With feeling. I'm going to call it the Jesus effect with these harmonics, and listen for the harmonics, the higher bits in the background, performing their own melody in contrast to the rhythm I'm playing on the guitar, or kind of in sympathy with it. Here we go. Cold. It's getting cold now. The guitars will go out of tune overnight again. We're doing a thing. We're doing some other bits. Didn't do that very well. Kevin. Town, go roofed up from town, gonna burn it hot in the shade, didn't quite get those pieces together. It wants to go down here. Yes. The doo-doo-doo-doo song. I can teach you how to play the guitar. I did that with basically, I had to use a third finger there actually. I was trying to do what I was doing before with just two fingers, no two good ones. I can teach you to play the guitar. Send me an email. Put in the subject line masterclass. JesusPointEnergy@gmail.com. Testing. That wasn't a minute. Oh yes it was. Oh no it wasn't. Well alright then. Go back to what we were doing at the beginning, which was this two finger thing. And then we morphed into that whole other tune. But I think we can piece it together. So here it is, the other bit. I don't want to throw that same old bridge in. That's just a go-to. That's the obvious choice. But it's a bit cliche. I've done a couple of songs with that already. Let's change it up a bit. Hang on a minute. That wasn't a minute. I'm not going to be able to play this. Oh yeah, I have to go to bed. See, I've got to use the pinky and ring finger. That was a minute. Till next time.